Today I will discuss about manufacture of hydrogen by industrial method. First, Bosch process. What is Bosch process? When steam is passed over red hot coke about 1000 degrees centigrade in furnace of a special design called converters, water gas is formed. Water gas is a mixture of mainly carbon monoxide CO and hydrogen containing some carbon dioxide. See the reaction: H2O plus coke means carbon 1000 degrees centigrade, CO plus H2, this is known as water gas, and the reaction is endothermic reaction, means heat is absorbed. Water gas is mixed with excess steam and passed over ferric oxide, which act as a catalyst, and chromic oxide, which act as a promoter. The carbon monoxide abstract oxygen from H2O to form CO2 and releases more hydrogen. Now CO plus H2 water gas plus H2O 450 degrees centigrade and ferric oxide, carbon monoxide plus H2 plus heat. The reaction is exothermic, means heat released. The carbon dioxide is removed from the mixture by dissolving it in water under pressure. Now next, by electrolysis of water. Now first we should know what is electrolysis. The decomposition of a substance in the molten state or in solution by passing electric current through it is known as electrolysis. The substance taken in the molten state or in solution is called electrolytes. The terminals made of metals or graphite through which current enters or leaves the electrolyte are known as electrodes. Now the electrode connected to the negative pole of the battery is called the cathode, and the electrode connected to the positive pole of the battery is called anode. The vessel in which electrolysis is carried out is called an electrolytic cell. Commercially, hydrogen is also obtained by electrolysis of acidated water. Why acid is mixed with water? As water is poor conductor of electricity. So few drops of dilute sulfuric acid is added with water, but only dilute sulfuric acid is added. HNO3 and HCl is not added for acidified water, as these are volatile and H2SO4 is non-volatile acid. And see the cell, this is known as Hofmann voltammeters. Here the positive pole of the battery, this means is this side anode and this side cathode, negative pole of the battery. Negative means negative cathode reduction and positive anode oxidation. In case of reduction is gain of electron, and in case of oxidation is loss of electron. When electric current is passed through acidated water, then water is H2O is decomposed to H plus OH minus ion, and also H2SO4 decomposes to H plus and SO4 minus ion. As in case of electronegativity, OH is placed below SO4 minus, so it discharges first. So see at the cathode reaction and anode reaction, in case of cathode, as H plus and OH minus, H plus goes to the cathode as it is negative pole of the battery. So H plus, and here reduction takes place. Reduction means gain of electron plus electron. Now this is known as nascent hydrogen. it cannot exist independently. So here another hydrogen, it needs another hydrogen atom, and from H2 for balancing the reaction. 2, here also 2, and here also 2. Now in case of cathode, OH minus ion goes to the anode. Now OH minus, here oxidation takes place, and oxidation is loss of electron. So OH minus minus electron, OH. It cannot exist independently, so it needs another OH, and from H2O plus O. This is known as nascent oxygen. It cannot exist independently, so it needs another oxygen to form O2. Now for balancing the equation, here 2, also here 2, 2, 2. Now 4 OH, here also 4 and 4. Now see, the number of electron loss is 4. So it must be number of electron gain is also 4, as number of electron loss or gain must be equal. So at cathode reaction, 4H plus 4 electron equals to 4H. Now 2H plus 2H equals to 2H2. Now at cathode, hydrogen is evolved. At cathode, hydrogen gas is evolved. And at anode, oxygen gas is evolved. And the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen is 2:1, and both are colorless. In this way, by electrolysis, hydrogen is also obtained. Now properties of hydrogen. First, physical properties: color, colorless; odor, odorless; taste, tasteless; density, it is the lightest known gas. It is 14.4 times less dense than air. Nature, non-toxic. Liquefaction, liquefies below minus 240 degrees centigrade under pressure of about 20 atmospheric pressure. Now chemical properties. When hydrogen react with metal, so metal plus hydrogen, metal hydride is formed. Metal hydride is formed. Metal hydride is formed. Now see example: sodium, potassium and calcium plus hydrogen. In this case, hydrogen acts as a non-metal, as metal has a tendency to lose electron and make electropositive ion. So here hydrogen acts as a non-metal and from metal hydride means NaH, KH, and CaH2, as the valency of sodium is +1 and the valency of hydrogen is -1, so NaH. And see the valence equation, here 2, also 2, now KH, here 2 and here also 2, and in case of Ca plus H2, as the valency of calcium is 2, so CaH2. So when metal react with hydrogen, metal hydride is formed. Next, when metallic oxide react with hydrogen, then metal plus water is formed. Metal plus water is formed. See example: Fe2O3 plus H2 Fe plus H2O. CuO plus H2 Cu plus H2O. PbO, lead oxide when react with hydrogen, then lead plus H2O is formed. See the balance equation. Now when metallic oxide react with hydrogen, then metal plus water is formed. See, next when hydrogen react with non-metal plus hydrogen, non-metal plus hydrogen. Now in case of water, when hydrogen burns in air, then H2O is formed. When hydrogen burns in air, then water is formed. Next, when hydrogen react with chlorine in diffuse sunlight, then HCl is formed. When hydrogen react with, this reaction takes place in diffuse sunlight, as hydrogen may explosive with chlorine in direct sunlight. So this reaction takes place in diffuse sunlight. When hydrogen react with molten sulfur, then hydrogen sulfide is formed, and the smell of hydrogen sulfide is rotten egg. Then when hydrogen react with nitrogen under some condition, means in presence of a catalyst, finely divided iron and 450 degrees centigrade temperature and 200 atmospheric pressure, then ammonia is formed. This is known as Haber process. See the balance equation here too. So when hydrogen react with nitrogen in presence of a catalyst, finely divided iron at 450 degrees centigrade and 200 atmospheric pressure, then ammonia is formed. The reaction is non-metal plus hydrogen, and this reaction is metal plus hydrogen. This is the chemical properties of hydrogen. This is for today. Thank you.